In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grok AI on Android. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is best if you want a quick, uninterrupted download, and that you have enough battery and storage space. In the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Grok AI. Take a moment to double-check the spelling so you see the correct results. When the search results appear, look for the official Grok AI app. Verify it by checking the developer name, the app icon, the download count, and recent reviews. This helps you avoid lookalike apps. Once you're confident it's the right one, tap Install. You'll see a progress bar as it downloads and sets up. If the Play Store asks for permissions, read them carefully and proceed if you're comfortable. When the button changes to open, you're ready to launch the app. You can also find it later in your app drawer. After opening Grok AI, you'll be prompted to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, choose Login and enter your email and password. If you're new, tap Sign Up and provide your email. You may be asked to create a password and confirm your email through a verification message. Follow the on-screen prompts, review the terms, and choose the basic preferences you're comfortable with. If the app offers optional notifications, decide whether you want to enable them now or later. You can always change this in settings. Once you're in, take a minute to explore. You'll usually land on a home screen or chat window. Start by typing a simple question or task in the message box, like asking for a summary, brainstorming ideas, or getting help drafting a message. If there's a microphone option and you prefer speaking, you can try voice input as well. For clearer results, be specific about what you want and mention any constraints like tone or length. If the app includes sample prompts, use them to see what's possible. Check the settings to tailor your experience. Things like theme, text size, and notification preferences can make daily use more comfortable. You'll also find options for managing your account and reviewing privacy controls. As a best practice, avoid sharing sensitive personal information in your chats. That's it. You've installed Grok AI from the Play Store, signed in with your email, and you're ready to explore. Keep the app updated through the Play Store to get the latest features and fixes. Enjoy discovering what Grok AI can do for you.